our Beyblade unboxing. So there you go, guys. This brings back memories when I used to watch first gen of Beyblade. It came all the way from China.
Like literally, I ordered from China.
That's why. Oh, this brings back memories here. Oh, I remember him.
And then you have like the launcher. Like I don't even know. That's like anime. Anime. All right, guys, we're gonna get the box
I forgot
open.
his name. Wait, how do I forget his name? It's like.
Okay. Let me try and open this with like is it a ripper? Let me try and open this with a ripper.
Oh look, it actually works. Ah, it works.
I just opened it with a ripper. Alright, let's get this open.
So we're not gonna use these, but we're gonna use them.
Yeah, we are.
Well, yeah, we're gonna use them, but we don't.
Let's take this out.
Bring back memories so much.
Whoa, look at that! Whoa! Big ripper! Wow!
That's huge!
Massive! What? That's a big ripper. Oh my god.
Okay, I wanna see this.
Hold on, no. We're gonna take it one thing by thing, okay?
Okay.
Alright, so first we got two changers.
You know these connect together? Okay, so
They
our...
do?
No,
How?
these pieces like in
Oh, okay,
there.
hold on.
It's stream!
Stop. Sorry. So we have two changers.
Two changers.
We have one string.
You can connect it to the other part too.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Like,
So
what do you mean you can connect it?
remember the piece I have back here? You can actually use that for the connecting.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So we can actually connect that to that.
Oh, that's cool. Okay, hold on.
So we can have like a double launcher.
Alright, ready?
Did you see what I said? A double launcher. A double launcher.
Alright, let me see this. I want to try this out first, though. And this is not a double, though. It doesn't have two ones. So I just try out. Can I try out Tornado? Because I think this might be.
No, it's a lefty, dude.
How do you know? It doesn't even say. Barely even says.
Illegal, kind of scary.
Wow. Okay, well, it's not that big.
Oh, an exit.
Okay. So we have a
When you get used to it, it'll get better.
string launcher.
Like me now.
Next up, we have.
We'd never be able to sell it. Yeah. You guys aren't spinning them on the table, right?
Yeah, we're putting it in that.
Yeah, but still on the ground with that.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright. So we have this big launcher. I believe this may go in here. Okay.
It is. It does. See, it looks different than the new Beyblade things today. Can't you see? It's like big
Alright, put it on the
round.
ground. I want to try one of my other ones. Alright, guys. We're gonna.
Wait. I'm gonna take it.
Just climb up the string. Just use the post that you got from this bench. Yeah.
Got it. What the heck is happening?
I have no idea. Okay, let's try this one.
We're using the bad one because I don't know why.
Okay, let's try this big launcher in 3, 2, 1. Wait, why can't I pull it out? Hold on.
I want to like get good video.
I think it's not meant for this one. I don't know.
No, it's because that one's like a bad Beyblade, dude. Oh.
Okay, so that one we got a big ripple. We're only gonna stick right there. Put it back in the sand, get perfect dead. Okay, next we have a little thing.
Wait. You showed up so close.
Alright, watch. There you go, light thing.
Wait.
Holder.
I'll tell you if it's good. Okay, put it back. Yeah, there you go.
Wait.
Oh, it's like my Pegasus part, remember? It's just red.
Okay, next up we have a red tip.
Oh, you mean bottom
Yeah,
part.
red bottom.
I got it.
Hold on, I got it. Don't ruin this.
Okay, first gen. I can't believe it. First gen is now we have first gen. Oh, it's just blowing my mind.
Forever.
This is blowing my mind, and it brings back memories.
Okay, hold on. I'm gonna like.
I'm not kidding. It brings back
I'm gonna
memories.
like. Oh, there you go.
It actually worked.
Yeah, I popped them out. Okay. And if we have a red.
Excuse me.
Hold on. Shh. Don't touch anything new here.
What?
Brand
I'm
new.
getting your Beyblade.
Oh, this one. All right. So we have a red bottom.
I think that's a bank case.
We have yellow bottom. Wait, what launcher did you take? Yours? Alright. Then we have a very small blue bottom.
Wait, I'll see if it's good. Yep, that's right.
Okay.
Get rained on, boys.
No, we're not.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, whatever.
Well, can we still stay out?
What are you, a meteorologist?
Okay.
Do you even know what the word meteorologist is?
Yes.
Do you even know how to spell meteorologist?
No, I don't.
Alright.
I know what it means.
Oh my goodness, it's first gen.
Alright, this is Libra.
They predict meteors when they
Libra.
come down to the ground.
Libra. Libra.
It's Libra.
Libra. Okay, whatever.
Wait, let me see its tip. Libra, yeah, it's Libra.
Alright, this is a pretty good tip, isn't it?
No, it's good metal.
Yeah.
Dude, this Beyblade used to be beast. I'm not even kidding, beast in the show.
Alright. We gotta make this brand new. Look brand new.
You don't want to break these. And we gotta
Did you used to like have one of these?
Huh?
Is this like one? You used to have one of these, didn't
No,
you?
I didn't. It's not Galaxy Pegasus. It was like something else.
Yeah.
It was something else Pegasus. I have a part from it. It's like
Okay. Next we have.
okay. Oh, this is Galaxy Pegasus.
Okay. Which one
No, this is amazing.
Alright, which one is this, Dina?
Bald Eagle. Equalia.
Aqualia.
I think so. If I'm mistaken, I haven't watched Beyblades in a while, so I might.
Alright, next we have the original.
No.
Oh, hold on.
Original.
Get it out. Eldred. It probably needs a little tightening because it does move a little bit.
Oh, what are these
Whatever.
pieces? Oh, they're bottoms.
Extra tips.
Oh,
And then
for
I'm saving.
extra tips for these.
Alright, so we have one.
This brings back so much memories.
One. Oh, jeez.
Oh, I got it. Ah! Don't do that, Blake.
What?
It's
Alright.
new. Put on
Oh, look at it. I got some chipping.
Are you kidding me?
Alright.
Well, it's made.
We got a red
It came
tip.
from China, so
Red tip.
I can actually
It
have
actually
one.
kind of looks like a better tip.
That looks like awesome tip.
Alright, next we got. Oh, they're just rests. This one's yellow. This one's
Black.
blue.
That's black. Oh, cool.
This one's black. Alright. Now, the moment you've all been waiting for. What is this launcher? What is this mysterious launcher? It is like. What? Oh! Okay, now I got it.
Yeah.
So
So.
you attach
Oops.
it. Okay. Alright, so you attach it like. That? No.
No, you attach it in front like that.
Yeah, okay. That?
There you go.
No. Oh, like this. Okay.
No.
How do you do it? Because I don't want to break it already.
Give me it. Wait.
You just broke it.
No, I didn't.
Look. Literally, you just broke it.
It's made from China, dude. Well, it's not really broken.
Can you just use this on normal?
No, you can't. Wait, what if it interacts with that?
Yeah, you can also use this. Like, I don't know how you get this on.
I think you're supposed to do like this, like that.
Like this? Like, oh, maybe. Oh,
Wow.
wait a minute. I don't know. Hold on. I don't like what's going on. Is that, no, that doesn't stand. That's it. Well, stop. Guys, post in the. Oh wait, I think I got it. Oh wait. Yeah, I think it's like staying in. Hold on. Just think, like there.
There you go.
Just like.
So basically, you can use anything. I want to use this giant ripcord. Hey, look at this giant ripcord.
Hey, look at this giant yellow thing. Oh, that's what it is. Definitely, because that's how those fly.
I think this may be like. Okay, let's see up the giant ripcord that you have mysteriously.
It goes in that thing.
Oh really?
Yeah.
I thought it goes in this. Yeah, it does. Look.
Oh yeah.
Wait, no, I think this is. Oh, because you can put an attachment there.
Oh.
If you can have one. What? No, will.
Oh yeah.
Well, okay. I don't know.
Wait, give me. I think I know it.
You put it on top too. See? Because that thing. Are you kidding me? Bro?
What?
Alright, okay. I don't know how this giant launcher works, so we'll figure that out later.
What can you do with
Alright. Alright. So,
Let's try Galaxy.
Alright, hold on. We're gonna try this, guys. Don't bring the camera. We're just gonna try one out. No, it'll be a secret. Don't bring the camera. Oh, Galaxy. Oh, Galaxy.
Some species are known to be toxic.
Oh! I did not want to touch that.
Oh, snap, look at
What's this lady for top?
milkweed facts. This is ultimately on my caution, do not get milkweed set eyes, such as rubbing your eyes.
Unless they get old.
Once they get old, yeah, like it's already been like 2 years.
I guess we should get rid of those.
Oh,
best. Common milkweed is the best known of the 100 or so species in North America. The name common fits the plant well because when not in bloom it goes pretty much unnoticed, growing humbly alongside roadsides and fields and wastelands. Poisonous powers. Beneath its dull gray-green exterior, milkweed is full of uncommon surprises. Inside the plant is a sticky white sap that contains a mild poison. Its bitter taste warns away many of the animals and insects that try to eat the leaves. Certain insects, including monarch butterfly larvae, are immune to the toxin. By feeding almost exclusively
Something sucking on the leaf right there.
Yeah, by feeding almost exclusively on milkweed leaves, they are able to accumulate enough of the poison in their bodies to make them distasteful to predators. That's cool.
What is it?
The monarch butterfly.
There we go.
Just like makes sense.
Alright, now we got. Which one do we test out? Okay, we didn't test out this one.
That's the beast mode,
Yeah,
guy.
we got to see that one for last. Which one haven't we done yet?
Well,
No.
he's like beast mode too.
Native American natural remedies. Native Americans taught early European settlers how to properly cook milkweed so that they could be safely eaten. The milky white sap was applied topically to remove warts, and the roots were chewed to cure.
You really have? Oh yeah, you do.
Yeah, it's the second gen, remember? Oh, I thought it was the third gen.
Alright, beast mode.
How did they get to the point where they knew how to do it?
Yeah, I know.
Because you're right. All the plants. How did people know what to do? Like what's good and what's bad? You know.
I'm getting Galaxy Pegasus soon.
Okay.
But
Alright,
if
Galaxy
people
Pegasus.
try something and
That's
people
a Galaxy.
die, or people die,
Yeah, it
they'd be
is.
like, oh, this one's no good.
Alright, grab your launcher, whichever you want. You can use that new one.
The new one right here.
No, just use it like this one.
Oh, beast mode coming up. Oh, wait, look. Beast mode coming up.
I was grabbing milkweed. And
Yes.
foraging
No, I don't have to
to
use the
poison
stand,
the
remember?
evil tribe, and all my warts are gone now.
Okay.
The fusion of the roots and leaves were taken to
Oh, you're freaking blind, bro? Come on. Not fair.
fever and asthma.
Beast mode against the original. Beast mode against the original. Well, that's beast mode Blake had. And then. Oh, why is it zoomed in? Like.
I don't know, why do you zoom in?
Oh, it's because we're doing it that way. That's. Okay, get yours back. Because I didn't shot Galaxy Pegasus yet.
Was another one of the
I said Airy, finally.
Yeah, finally an area. Okay.
3, 2, 1.
1. Whoa! Oh my god. Alright, okay.
It's like the original metal. Like, I'm not even kidding. Like, wow. Let's go look at it on the camera.
What? It said iPhone 6. Are you serious?
Oh! What? Galaxy Pegasus.
Alright, I wanna go again. So it was like,
I want to clean these. Like, I want to take a bath with these.
like, how did he lose? I don't like. He said this guy's beast mode.
He is in the show. In the show, not in real life, dude. Like, but this guy's beast mode.
No, 3, 2, 1.
Whoa. Dude, these things are like so light, but they're like beast mode. I'm not even kidding. Like, you're gonna lose. This guy's like that beast
Dude, I
mode.
had big metal. How does it make any sense?
Cause he's the savior of the world in it.
Alright, hold on. Let me try this one more time. One more time.
God. Yeah. You don't really want to break him.
3, 2, 1. Whoa, you like cut grass. Hold on, let me try mine in like grass.
No, because we don't want like. Whoa.
Same thing.
It looks weirder than like the English ones because it came from China. Okay, this is the China version. And then that's like English version. Actually, that's China version too.
Okay, 3, 2.
Oh, that's not good. You're done.
Are you serious right now? What? Oh, you're losing stamina, but I think I'm gonna lose. Yeah, I think I'm gonna lose. Why would I say that? Okay, let's go to beyblade. Yeah.
I used to have Brett, but I think it's different. I used to have a white box.
What? Yeah, because Uncle Jim.
You want to save yours?
Yeah,
You're okay.
Uncle Jim was like, this is basically
Alright, let's
gasoline.
Galaxy Pegasus.
So, original El Drago against
stuff.
Original Pegasus.
Yes.
Starting to rain, boys.
Nobody has two.
That's okay.
He just has wicked good soil. I mean, he goes to some of the stores. It's way cheaper than
It's okay.
down here.
Three. So Pegasus,
Pegasus,
original Pegasus against
Original Alfredo.
Alright,
3, 2.
Whoa! Like an instant battle. Like,
Oh, mine's like.
And the best bet, like the cheapest way, like I did a raise thin guard, but
That's actually cool. Like come in like the whole thing, so you don't have to like put the Beyblades together.
double dig.
That's actually pretty cool. So we didn't have to put these together and struggle.
Ask for directions. So you can drop mad money buying Fox Farm.
Ooh.
If you only need, you just get one cast of back long and
Look at he's not. He's like not even losing his stamina.
mine?
Yeah.
I think we could.
Are you kidding me? Why does everyone... Alright.
I'm not even gonna change, dude. You're going another beast mode guy? Dude, he used to be mad beast mode. He was like controlled by Dart. The guy who guys are
3,
wait.
2...
They're both at like the same height.
Really?
But
We're already at 16 minutes. Are you serious?
we're having so much fun.
Oh, because you... I didn't actually know where we started.
Oh, it's a close battle, close battle.
Oh! Are you kidding me? Win against that.
Dude, this is the guy in the same room in the world, so you would probably win.
Okay. How about this?
Wait, are you making a combination, dude?
No.
Okay.
I'm just making.
I think I might change. Huh?
We're on a three-way battle. Let's go.
Three-way battle.
Three-way battle. Right. Okay.
What if Pegasus wins against both of these guys?
Oh,
That would be sick. I would just keep on picking
Alright.
them. Like
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, it's a lot of metal.
These are all metal.
Mine's already died, I swear to God. It is. Or El Dragon was. El Dragon again. Oh my God!
Oh, this guy's sick.
Alright,
This guy is
I'm done.
Four-way battle.
3 against 1.
So,
I don't know how you keep winning.
how do you keep winning? Dude, that was 2.
Well, I forgot.
That is easy for him. He can beat everybody.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
This guy. This will. You keep beating me. It's not funny.
I'm like,
Kind of funny.
oh, that was a bad launch. Poo, 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 poo. Dude, it's because this guy's metal. Look at it.
Alright, dude, I'm gonna create a custom one. You wanna go and create customs?
Sure.
Let's go.
I'm still using this metal. I'm
You're not changing the level or anything?
yeah, I'm not changing the metal. Wait, give me that. No, I'm getting my stuff off.
You said you didn't want to change them.
I want to change now.
Why doesn't it come apart? Oh wait, so it's not apart.
I saw a lot of bumblebees on the flower.
There.
I saw that hummingbird. The butterfly bush. Yeah, a couple summers I took a video of one. We get different plants, little varieties. The thing is, butterfly comes. I like them on.
Wait a second.
I'll drive it and take it apart. I'll drive it and take it apart again.
New Pegasus is coming. Oh, new Pegasus is coming up. Where's Pegasus? Oh, guys, by the way, this is the raining Beyblade tournament. Well, not tournament, because it's actually kind of raining. It really is raining.
Okay, and take this one.
You know what? How's that, Robert? I'm shooting mine. What the heck? You have like all the pieces over here. Oh. I need a tipple. This is already broken. What? What is that from? Let me see that tip. It's literally already broken.
Literally, I'm serious.
Look, it's here.
Alright, let's go. I'm gonna beat somebody.
No,
Alright, okay.
Dad, you're definitely not beating.
Alright.
Give me one. What's this thing? Ain't even going on.
It's a lucky guy. What?
Come on, give me something to put on here. Taking this one.
Dude!
How come it's not going on here?
It's a wait. One.
Give me a double launcher where it is.
Hey.
Wait a minute, I got one.
Alright.
Okay, so you're gonna lose.
Come on.
Change it.
Change it.
Okay, my dad's.
Why is it not staying on? You just did it. I thought.
Oh, you have to do it. Like,
Yeah, please. Yeah, good one.
okay.
Alright. Now what do I do? Pull this?
No, not
It's
here.
falling off, dude. This isn't right.
Oh, wait.
That's what he just did. He just changed it. Alright.
Eat this guy.
No, I wanted this one.
That one's like a winner in chicken dinner.
Yeah.
Look, none of these go on. These things are all broke.
Don't drop them.
They're all broke.
We're new.
Alright, here we go.
Here.
We test run it.
Yeah, like.
Oh yeah!
This is my dad, guys.
How does this go back in?
Turn this thing a little bit.
Oh.
So, Dad, you want to do a little battle?
Alright, you ready?
3, 2, 1. Yeah, you're gonna lose, Dad. You know that.
I ain't losing. I ain't losing for nothing. I don't like losing. Why is he wobbling already? You gave me a piece of junk. Oh!
What?
Oh!
Is that recording?
Yes.
Oh, I must have caught my hand touching yours then.
Oh! I still won anyway, so cheater.
Alright, what's this one? Hold on. I couldn't pull good with that.
It's raining. It's pouring.
Alright, here, let's go.
Wait.
Let's go.
Get in my new launcher.
Yeah, I got a new launcher too, baby.
This one's better. It's
Yeah.
spring!
Come on, you ready?
Yeah, baby. 3, 2.
Oh, you're going down. Woo, woo.
Come on. This thing is bad and rough.
Oh, look, you're not even watching. I'm going to win.
Ah! Dad's gonna.
I won.
Ah! He actually won!
Okay, I'm joining this battle. Me against you. Come on, let's go. Let's go. I want to go. Right now. Let's go. Like right now.
Hey, get the loser out of there.
No, I'm not a loser.
You just lost.
No, Blake wasn't in, so. 3,
3,
2, 1.
Oh, yeah, you did good there, Blake. All right, stop him. Let's go again.
I don't even know where mine went.
Come on, get it in the arena, pal.
Yeah, get in the arena.
Wait a minute.
It's like raining.
All right.
Okay.
Three,
3, 2, 1. 3-way battle. You can't get another one, Blake. Hey, it's not
You gotta
fair.
wait. No, you gotta
I
wait.
know I'm playing until the next one.
I'm gonna win. Okay, mine's gonna win against both of yours.
Okay, I'm dead.
Oh, that's because you're low
You're
to the
dead.
ground, dude.
Well, that's how the
Okay, I know who I'm bringing in next.
Oh, I know
I don't care. I'll beat that thing.
ya. I'll beat both of you.
Ready?
It's a galaxy. How are you gonna beat this?
Easy.
He's not a Galaxy.
All right, you ready?
Yeah, let's go.
Go.
3, 2, 1. What? Mine was a stupid bad
Oh, you're out. Yeah.
That's not fair.
Hold on, I'm going. I'm gonna beat him. Get him. Get him. Get him.
Oh, I'm standing back in!
Oh, wait.
No!
Yes!
What?
I'm the winner, baby!
Do it again.
No.
I dare you. Oh, come
I
on,
beat
Dad.
both of you. I'm a champ. I retire as champ.
Okay, let's
My
just...
last one.
Alright.
Okay, you're gonna both lose, so... What?
He just beat you like 5 times, dude.
Oh, yeah, so you're gonna lose! Ready?
Where'd you put your launcher? Okay. Because I need that one because that one's double-sided.
I gotta test this.
That guy's better.
I like that guy. I like him.
What? What?
I'll make him
I'm gonna win!
I'll make him win.
You'll make you win.
Yeah.
That's physically impossible.
It is! I'm sorry, Dad. You're gonna lose.
Hey, look, mine actually stays on.
Awesome. It's gonna fall.
No, it's not.
Alright, you ready? Yeah, I told you. Told you.
I wanna get
Ready?
all
Hold on.
3.
3,
Alright, hold on.
2, 1. Red her lip. What you doing, dude?
Well,
Alright, I'm getting sick of waiting. Anticipating. Alright, you can't jump in now.
what? This is unfair. This is unfair, guys.
Yeah!
I won! Dude, you
Hey,
just
go
stopped.
ahead. I didn't go in. I didn't get to go in.
Alright. Alright, it's starting to rain heavy here.
No, it's not.
You guys might want to gather up your stuff.
It's not.
No.
I don't feel a single drop.
I do.
You do?
It's only like little drops.
Okay, I know. Okay, let's go.
Can we go in until it starts really pouring?
Go in?
When it starts really like pouring?
Yeah, you can sit out and wait in the rain.
Okay.
3, 2,
Wait.
shoot. Hey, what time is it?
Okay. Go home.
No, it's not. I go home at 7.
7?
Yeah.
7:05.
No,
Oh
it's
no,
not.
6:05.
Yeah. Really?
Okay. 3.
Come on.
2.
Come on. Mine.
Last one.
Can I have some?
Yeah, you can have the rest. Strawberry Starburst. Freeze.
Ow. So, fix your stupid launcher.
We'll put it in the recycle. Yes.
Okay, ready, Will? No. Is your camera even on? Right there. Let's go. 3, 2, 1.
Let it.
Wait, this is an El Drago Galaxy.
I'm gonna go Galaxy.
The El Drago Pegasus. 3,
By the way-
2, 1.
I'm actually. By the way, guys, I haven't posted it yet, but I'm making a Minecraft channel just by myself because me and Blake can't play together on 360. Xbox 360.
I never can.
Again? How?
Using it for my username.
Huh?
I can tell you my username. You just have to tell me yours.
Mine's BlackBlack737. BlackBlack37.
What is it?
I think it's BlackBlack37.
Black.
Black.
Alright, you have to write it down.
Is it gonna stop raining or no?
Stop raining? Not for a few minutes.
Really?
It'll rain for a while.
Alright, that's fine. Alright, ready? Well, get yours out.
Mine's.
I don't care. It's raining. I don't care. It's
It's
raining.
a Beyblade.
Come on,
Raining.
Let's go.
87 minutes.
No, it doesn't.
That's what it said.
Really? Alright, 3, 2, 1. What? Mine's taking the card. Tap it.
Tap it.
Restart because mine went in the corner. And you can't.
Yeah. Maybe when we get to our house, we can play Minecraft together.
No, play. You tell me your turn. It's like
Black-
raining.
Black 37.
Alright, it's raining. You have to go write it down. Write it down for me. And then whenever you get a friend request, that will be me. My name is Dude on mine. that it?
You need this stuff.
Oh, it's fine. I don't know. I don't need that. Alright. Bye guys, I hope you...
Bye guys, and this was the rainy Beyblade tournament. Bye. Wait, wait,